Hello my dear friends, today I want to show you how work a real working hack for OnixBet for Aviator Crash game. Okay, let's go. This is my official Telegram channel, guys, Shark1x Games, my official Telegram channel, and me if you want this real working hack for OnixBet for Aviator Crash game. Okay, let's go. Actual fresh date and fresh time today, you see 29 April today. And let's go. I want to show you how it's work. Go to the Google Chrome. Shark, go to the 1xbet.com crash and go to the 1xbet official website. Wait. You see, guys, this is official 1xbet website. You see, official 1xbet website. Sports live crash 1x game crash game. All this real, don't worry my friends, look, you see. Actual first day, first time. And now I show you how I make money easy and fast. Yes, as you see, it's real work perfect. Okay, take it this. I'm place a bet. $15. I'm place $15. You see, guys. Now just show you how I make money. Yes, you see, I win money. Amazing. I'm place the next bet. You see, guys, it's real work perfect. It's amazing. Okay, I'm placing next bet. Again, I miss this bet because it's low coefficient, guys. Yes, it's good big coefficient, guys. I like it. I place a bet. And now show you how I win money easy and fast. Okay, look at this. Yes, you see, guys, I win money. It's real work perfect. It's amazing, guys. I like it. You see my history. You see how I win money. It's amazing, guys. It's a real work perfect. You see my balance right now. It's work perfect. It's amazing. Go to the personal account, withdraw funds, and I withdraw it to my Visa card. Actual fresh date and fresh time today. Press confirm. Okay. Press OK, let's go. And now we just wait when my money withdraws from 1xbet wallet to my Visa card. It's about 1 or 2 minutes. Just wait a little bit and my money withdraws. You see, status under review. Just wait when my money withdraws from 1xbet wallet to my Visa card. This is my official Telegram channel, guys, and me if you want this real working hack for OnixBet for Aviator Crash Games, this application. It's a real work perfect, it's amazing, you see. I'm real win money, easy and fast. Yes, status change to approve, guys. My money withdraws, you see. Yes, it's amazing, it's work. Thank you for view, guys. Bye bye, see you later.